How do you write visual comedy in a screenplay? The kind that makes people laugh without a single line of dialogue. Visual comedy works because it's shown and not said. It's all about timing, contrast, and also the unexpected. What's funny about the situation itself? The image, the timing, or the physical behavior, and not just what someone might say. For example, Casey confidently leaps over a fence and lands in a full recycling bin. That one is visual comedy. A clear setup, a payoff, and there's not even any dialogue needed. Comedy on the page works best when the description is quick and clear. Don't try to be funny in your writing style. Just describe the funny thing that happens and let the moment speak for itself. Use specificity. So comedy dies in vagueness. The man falls isn't funny, but the man proudly steps forward, trips, and salutes as he hits the floor. Now that is something that we can actually see. Timing also matters in how you write. Use line breaks and rhythm to control when the audience might laugh. She takes a sip of coffee, it's not hers, and she spits it back into the cup. Each line is a comedic beat, setup, realization, and reaction. You can also create visual comedy through contrast. Serious characters in absurd situations or calm reactions to chaos. The humor often comes from restraint and not necessarily exaggeration. And remember, never write "this is funny" or something like that. If it's funny, then the reader will know. And your job is to make the moment crystal clear. The actors, timing, and direction will hopefully take care of the rest. That is how to write visual comedy that actually works on screen. But that being said, when it comes to comedy, you never really know until you've actually seen it on screen for yourself. There's no harm in simply giving it a go, seeing if it works, and then tweaking it for next time. And if you want a place to try out moments like this while you build a full script, there is a 10-day screenwriting course linked in the description that walks you through the whole process in a really simple way. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video.